Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix common issues with the Google Chrome browser and improve its performance. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Once you're in Settings, go to the System section. Here, turn off unnecessary options like continue running background apps when Chrome's closed, and keep only what you actually need enabled. Next, go to Reset and Cleanup. Click on Clean Up Computer, then select Find to scan for harmful software that might be affecting your browser. After that, head over to Privacy and Security and click on Security. Use the Check Now option to make sure your browser is safe and up to date. Then go back and click on Clear Browsing Data. Choose what you want to remove, like cached files or cookies, and click Clear Data to clean up your browser. These steps can help fix performance issues and make Chrome run more smoothly. And that's it. You've now gone through the key steps to troubleshoot and improve your Chrome browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.